Most manufacturing websites don't lose business because of their products. They lose business because buyers can't quickly understand what they do. Today I am going to show how I transform this 10 years old website into a modern conversion focused experience designed to generate more qualified RFQs. If you are a manufacturer, machine shop, bearing supplier, CNC machining or industrial business, this redesign will show you exactly why your website might be costing you opportunities. Hi, I am Firdaus, founder of Pixerts. I help manufacturing companies improve their websites, user experience and lead generation performance. For this redesign, I will choose ZMZ Manufacturing, a bearing manufacturer, and completely reimagined how the homepage should work for modern industrial buyers. Let's start with the existing website. At first glance, the website looks terrible. When you evaluate it from the perspective of procurement manager, engineer, sourcing specialist or OEM buyer, several issues become immediately clear. When I land on the homepage, I don't instantly understand what products they manufacture, what industries they serve, why I should choose them over competitors. The hero section talks about manufacturing excellence, but it doesn't communicate with the specific buyer benefits. Industrial buyers don't buy promises, they buy capabilities. The copy feels company focused rather than buyer focused. Most manufacturing website talks about we are leaders, we are experienced, we are provide quality, but buyers care about, can you manufacture my part? What's the tolerance capability? Do you meet certifications? How quickly can you quote? The existing website does not answer those questions immediately. If I am looking for a specific bearing category, I have to work too hard. The navigation doesn't prioritize product exploration. Industrial buyers often arrive with this specific requirement already in mind. The website should help them reach the right product category within seconds. This is probably the biggest issue. The primary business goal is getting RFQs, but the RFQ journey is not strongly reinforced through the page. Visitors should never wonder what's my next step. A manufacturing website should guide buyers towards requesting a quota at every major decision point. The trust signals are hidden. Manufacturers spend years building certifications, quality systems and production capabilities, but those trust signals are immediately invisible. Industrial buyers evaluate risk before they evaluate price. The faster we build trust, the faster we generate inquiries. So instead of simply making the website look better, I redesigned it around how industrial buyers actually make purchasing decisions. So how I redesigned it? The first thing I sensed was the hero section. Instead of generic messaging, I positioned the company around precision manufacturing and industrial reliability. The headline immediately communicates engineered for extreme load, manufactured for absolute precision. Now buyers instantly understand what the company does, the quality standard, the type of product involved. I also added a prominent certification directly in the hero area. This immediately increases credibility, and most importantly, I introduced two clear calls to action: get instant code and download datasheets. Because not every visitor is ready to request a quote immediately. Some buyers are still researching, so we support both journeys. Now company trust section. Next, I introduced a trust building section. Instead of forcing visitors to search company information, we quickly communicate years of experiences, dedicated production facilities, quality certifications, etc. Industrial buyers need confidence before they contact suppliers. This section reduces certainty early. Now I have architect the product. One of the biggest improvements is product architecture. Instead of overwhelming users, I created clear hierarchy. First, to introduce major product families, then we guide visitors into detailed categories. This helps buyer quickly identify whether the manufacturer can meet their requirements. For industrial websites, product organization is not just navigation, it's sales enablement. Now we made the application section. I also added visual product categories. Many manufacturing websites rely heavily on text, but buyers scan pages, they don't read every word. Product visuals combined with clear labels help visitors identify relevant solution much faster. Conversion focused CTA. Throughout the page, you will notice RFQ opportunities appear repeatedly, not aggressively, strategically. After product discovery, after trust building, after capability visibilities, after section helps move buyers toward requesting a quote. This creates a natural conversion path. And now the competitive differentiation. One thing many manufacturing websites miss the differentiation. Why should a buyer choose you? I created a section dedicated to competitive advantages: material quality, manufacturing standards, fast turnaround, engineering expertise. This helps buyers just supplier selection internally. Industrial buyers love specifications, so I introduced a technical availability matrix. This demonstrates capability before a conversation even starts. When buyers are seeing technical depth, trust increases dramatically. Result and lesson. The redesign was not about making the website prettier, it was about making the website work harder. The original website functioned like a digital brochure. The redesigned homepage functions like a sales engineer. It helps buyer understand capabilities, explore products, build trust, validate specification, request a quote, all without contacting the sales first. If you are a manufacturing company and your website is not generating enough qualified RFQs, the problem may not be your traffic, it may be your user experience.